everyone. So, from today onwards, we are starting a new series named Shy or Insofy. So, I am your host Harsh, and along with me,
And I am Zoya, and we are interns at Insofy. And today we have invited a very special person on our guest list, Mr. Amit Jain. He is the founder of Insofy, whose parent company name is Adishwara Insurance Broker. So, sir, we welcome you here on our platform. So, my first question to start the podcast will be: can you just tell me a bit about yourself, like who is Amit Jain and Insofy ki journey, and how you have come up to this space today?
Thank you, Zoya, for inviting me. So, let me brief about myself. So, as you said that we have started this company almost 3 years back, and the company name is Adishwara Insurance Brokers Private Limited. And so basically, we have the brand name is Insofy. It's all about insurance and insurance for all, and at the same time, insurance simply better for all. Right. So before starting this company, I worked for different organizations, manufacturing insurance companies, and broking space. Apart from this, I started my career from ABN AMRO Bank almost 23 years back. So we carry very rich experience into insurance. If we talk about our founding team, apart from myself, we have a couple of our partner co-founders who are also having a very good rich experience into insurance industry, and they have all the employee benefits as well as non-employee benefit exposure into insurance industry.
so sir, talking about insurance industry, was it always on your radar or was it just accidental?
See, this is a very good question. So basically, I am a by education IT person. So I started my career from a bank, a multinational bank, and accidentally somehow someone bring it to me into insurance industry, and so I started my insurance journey with one of the leading company in almost 2007, ICICI Lombard. So that's how. So I have been with one of the largest private insurance company, which is across India as of now, and we have gained lot of experience into insurance exposure, sales, marketing, operations, underwriting. So I have worked almost 6 years into ICICI Lombard. Then I moved to Reliance General Insurance. So almost 15 years we have worked with ICICI and Reliance. After that, I moved to broking space. When I started my career into broking, I got to know about how the insurance broking industry is moving. So what are the challenges? What are the customer thought? Day-to-day challenges, operation challenges, sales challenges, and then I have got the opportunity to work with the one of the leading broking fintech company, which is Policy Bazaar. So I worked Policy Bazaar twice in my career, and it was a very fantastic exposure as well. Lot of challenges into my career. So that's how. So I worked for almost SMC and Policy Bazaar equally for 6 years in the broking space. Then I thought, we have to decide something. So it was my very earlier days in my life. I used to start my own, but right time was not there. So that is how. So someday I have decided to start my own, and in 2023, so Insofy has came up.
So, sir, that was an amazing journey which you have just told us. So, sir, as you have been in the insurance industry since so many years, you have gained so much of experience. And even when you talked about Policy Bazaar, you told us that you were at a very good position there, like of VP. You were kind VP, right, at Policy Bazaar. So, sir, there should have been, or there would have been something which made you to, start something on your own. So as we are also very young and we look out for people like you who are doing something on their own. So what is that thing which made you decide to start your own startup, and then considering all the kind of risk that would come along, because you're obviously you are leaving your job for the for doing this thing. So sir, I wanted to know about what were your thoughts, what were your mindset which you were having at that moment when you started Insofy? So Zoya, this is a very good and very tough question for me. So when I took this thought to quit Policy Bazaar,
or my career from a job. So that was not a very easy decision for me as well as my family. So I took almost 3 to 4 months time to decide what is the right time to take this hard decision, because I was on peak of my career that time, and I carry lot of you know working challenges, day to day operations, and I was pretty satisfied as well. But considering my previous journey into broking, manufacturing, or lot of experience, ठीक है, then I decided to start something different, which is valuable for not only for myself or my my career, but it will help to many people, like who are working for us, who are going to be associated with us. So so when I decided to move on, so I discussed this because this is a very not a easy decision to take, any individual as a person. So you have to take the consent for all your parents, your maybe wife, your children, because when I decided to move on, I was not very early stage to take this decision. So I was almost 40 that time. So my suggestion to young comers like you, Zoya and Harsh, ki when you start your own startup, you take decision at bit early.
Correct.
Then then you can take experience, as well as you can work on your all the good decisions, bad decisions, and you can multiple challenges you are going to face. Okay, but you have also the time to revive those decisions. But at the age of 40, you do not have much options with you, right? So I have only one option, to go for it or drop it. So that is the reason I choose to go for it. But it is not a very easy decision for any individual to take that risk when your child is going to be completing his schooling, and you are also coming back to your home, right?
So, sir, what does Adishwara means and how is it different from Insofy?
So Harsh, Adishura FinTech Private Limited, we have a parent company with us. And if you talk about Insofy, so Insofy is uh, a brand name for Adishura Insurance Brokers Private Limited, which is a subsidiary of Adishura FinTech company. So if you talk about as a company, so we have multiple cross sell tie-ups with Adishura FinTech, like lending, like tech company, like wellness company. Okay? But Insofy is dedicated for insurance broking space. So this is a brand name of Adishura Insurance Broker.
Okay, sir. So, and what are the mission and what is the vision of Insofy?
So Harsh, we really wanted to be part of. We do not have any competitor for us, because we are a very initial stage startup, and we are not going to compete with any competitors in this space. So we have our own market, and we are quite satisfied with that also. So we wanted to serve B2B and B2C market across India, not only for insurance space. And after couple of years, when we are going to settle our online and offline business, we are we really wanted to enter into reinsurance space as well.
Okay.
So, sir, when we talk about insurance industry, there are obviously many players in insurance industry, and people are also getting aware of these brokers because, of course, they make you understand insurance more nicely, and you get to choose your insurance more wisely. So, sir, my question is, if the Insofy is in this space, so what actually is the difference which Insofy is creating in this space, and how is it different from other competitors or other players which are in this market?
So see, Zoya, we have a very experienced team altogether with us. We have 2 or 3 co-founder also associated with this company, and they have quite a good background as well, right? Some of them are expert into employee benefit. Some of them are life insurance expert. Some of them are technology experts altogether. So this broking is all about not only the customer service or tech companies. So we are a human plus technology company. So that is the reason any customer who wanted to part of this company or wanted to services can talk to any relationship manager personally, or can go to our website as well to get the insurance done. And this is number one. Number two, point number two, uh, when we talk about the customer service or USPs of this company, so we wanted to have a good relationship with our all the customers, internal, external, not only for first year of business or policy inception, but we wanted to provide the support across the year and after that as well. And if we talk about the partnership point of view, so we are going to start with all the retention benefit, long term association benefit to be provided very honestly to our B2B partners.
So, sir, while you were explaining about Insofy, so you said something about USP, which is of course unique selling point. So I wanted to know what is the actual USP of Insofy, and is that some kind of a product or some kind of a model? So, sir, what is it actually?
So see, Zoya, we have two kind of business model with us, which is B2B for, and B2B itself has two modes of business generation. One of them is point of sale person. Point of sale person is POSP, which is as per regulatory allowed this business model for booking almost in 2017. And we are very happy to to say this. We have almost 500 plus POSP as on date across India. And we are really we wanted to provide them not only services, all the policy management, payout distribution, relationship manager, online technology platform, dashboards, everything on time. Not only this operational challenges, we are also wanted to solve their day-to-day challenges with regards to the comparison of the policy, what is the right product for the customer. So we help them. Our team is helping them to out of multiple trainings programs, multiple online video sessions and webinars as well, to get them ready to provide what kind of any kind of insurance related, not only rural India as well as the urban cities of India.
So, sir, anybody can become a pause, or like, is there some kind of an eligibility criteria, like according to like which you said it is certified by IRADI. So, what actually, like, if somebody wants to become a pause, what would the process look like for him or her?
See, process is very simple. Anybody who is 10th qualified or above 10th, minimum qualification is 10th pass, ठीक है ना. Whether it is retired person, homemaker, student also, and any small town, any big BOC town, anyone who is wanted to run on their side income along with their regular income, they can become a PSP with Insofy. ठीक है ना. Because the eligibility criteria is very simple. It should be Indian resident uh, with having
So, what are the benefits that they will get?
see, they have to, after the training provided by Insofy relationship manager. So we have a very robust program of 7 days time. So whenever the policy POSP is onboarded into our system via online or offline, whatever he feels right, and after 7 days of time, so they have got the all the product benefits, commission structure, what kind of services, what kind of benefits we have. So every month they have got their uh, policy booking dashboards, MIS, and the commission structure as well. So whatever they have, they are providing any leads to the Insofy relationship manager, any across cities of India, any product. We have 300 plus products with us, and there are a lot of products allowed to sell by PSP, point of sale, and which are available to our website as well as far the regulatory is concerned. And along with this, we are also wanted to provide them long term stability benefit in the company. So this is a very unique feature with us, and we really respect and humble to provide this. If any PSP, any agents are working with us and longer time, so we are not only providing them commission on time, but the growth perspective as well.
So that is, sir, very nice, because as you also mentioned about how pause, how an homemaker or somebody like, of course, women who are not working currently can also become pause. So that is one of the good thing for them to actually earn something if they want to, earn some kind of income for themselves. So what are your like views on this? How it is like somewhat empowering those women to, earn something for themselves?
So Zoya, see, this is a very heart-touching question for us, and let me tell you very honestly. So we have our internal team also with us, so who are working with us. A lot of women are working for us, not only as a POSP, as an employee also. So after their marriages or any reason, they had to break their career with maybe family requirement, maybe their kids requirement, or anything, marriage reason as well. And be it any city, be it any state you are, you can associate it with Insofy. You can get yourself onboarded and get your training free of cost, get your registration, zero investment, and any time, any day you can start selling your insurance if you need anything. So this is a very good platform altogether, with not only for um, male. This is equally important for female who are homemaker, who are managing their kids, their family, but they can devote their 3 hours time, 4 hours time, whatever they feel they have. They can start working with us and earn a very good amount of commission every month.
So as you mentioned that you are providing multiple training programs or something to whoever is becoming the post. So what kind of training are you providing to the post so that they become prepared to go into the market and pitch for Insofy?
So Harsh, see, the first 3 days is product training, detailed product training, whatever the products is allowed as per regulatory to the POSP, point of sale. Um, Let me tell you the example. Motor insurance is allowed to any POSP. So everybody is having the motor vehicle, private car, two wheeler, commercial vehicles, right? Apart from that, POSP can sell life insurance, health insurance, term insurance, personal accident as well, right? So these are very wide range of product they have. And the best part is, if any POSP is working with not only Insofy, any broking in India, they have multiple exposure of multiple insurance companies. The product range is very higher. They can sell n number of companies product. They can choose, they can select, they can guide to customer. So this is the best USP to any POSP who can choose multiple insurance company as well as the multiple products. So what is the right product for their customer?
That's amazing. Definitely. So moving on to, so how, like, it's been 3 years since Insofy has inaugurated. So of course now there would be proper employees, people working at Insofy. So now you will be also, looking at the corporate level things, like, because now there is a good office, people are working. So like, how do you manage the corporate side, and like, give some insight about the corporate culture of Insofy?
Yeah. So when we started this company almost 2023, so first year was our inception year. So we applied for broker license. We had to do lot of compliances. We had to do lot of setup year, basically operations activities and operation challenges we had. So after getting our license, this is our second year of journey. Almost 18 months we have completed, and I must say that we are very satisfied with our decent pace and performance. We are not you know uh, scaling at this time, but uh, first year was the retail year, and now we are looking at to build our corporate insurance very strongly, and not only the employee benefit side, but the non employee benefit as well altogether.
I do have a question like what do you expect from an employee to bring into the company?
See, Harsh, uh, as I always said to my team earlier as well, our customer is customer first approach is very important. So customer is God for us. Be it any service industry, any be it, and this is a very challenging industry as well. Insurance is not a very simple product to sell on, but the employee should understand the product first, the customer requirement first, and what they required. So employee has to make a proposal considering all the aspects of customer, right policy, right time, right proposal, right product, and the good advice as well. We do not have any opportunity to sell a wrong product to the any customer.
So that is amazing. So,
Should I ask?
yeah, yeah, sure.
So, sir, I do have another question related to the same. Like there are some clients who are asking for their claims, and they are tough to handle. Just recently, I've read a case study in which there was a person A who didn't had their OD in their insurance. They just had the TP, and they asked that I want OD. That yes, I have done the claim for the OD. So how do you deal with these kind of clients?
So see, basically, as a regulatory, as an insurance broker, what our principle is to you know uh, sustain our customer trust as well as the customer's protections as well. If the customer, in your case, in this claim scenario, customer has not opted the comprehensive policy, I'm sure they have the TP policy,
Yes, they had.
and they had to the OD claim as well.
Yes.
So that is a very very challenging situation for us. Sometime we had to raise it to insurance company, but although the customer has only opt for the third party insurance, but as a broker, as a servicing side, as a customer, we deal with many situations, such situation, and we really wanted to find a midway as well to satisfy the customer at any point of time. So these are the challenges which broker generally faced multiple times.
That's amazing, sir.
So customer satisfaction is
Yeah,
more important.
yeah.
So, sir, which kind of insurance? Like I can see on the board behind you that there are multiple, I think 10 different kind of insurance that Insofy provides. So, which is the particular product that Insofy
So
targets?
Harsh, let me correct you. The product is not only 10. We are providing 100 plus insurance,
Okay.
offline and online altogether,
Yes.
and more than that also. And let me tell you that whatever the insurance companies are coming in India, we are also trying to get onboarded all the companies, and we are regularly basis we are providing, we are getting multiple trainings from their sales team, underwriting teams, claims team, to cater all the customers needs well on time. And we are very much updated as well. Our employee force, our POSPs are well trained enough, very uh, product knowledge, be it claim side, be it handling of customers, are very very good.
So, sir, as we talked about products which Insofy is offering, so Insofy is also working with corporate clients, right? So, as of like people in general are aware of retail insurance and individual insurance, like health or motor, but people are not actually aware about what is a GMC. And yes, there is very less awareness about the GMC, GPA insurance. So can you, tell a bit about how this works and what actually the GMC and how Insofy is working on this?
So see, Zoya, this is a very very important and a very genuine question, and genuine ask as well for the market. So I written an article as well on this. Group insurance is basically very very important for any organization. This is not only a risk cover.
Yeah, sir.
Risk
Because
cover,
actually,
yeah,
a lot of startups are
yes,
also
yes,
coming up. They are not actually aware about
yeah,
Yes.
how GMC can help them if there's some kind of risk or like unpredictable something happens. So how
correct,
they can able to
correct.
secure themselves and their
Yes, I'm
company.
trying to
Yeah.
conclude this as well. So the group insurance is not only helping any corporate startup or any early stage companies to provide their employee benefit protection. So this is help two ways to any corporates. One is employee benefits, अगर आपका improve होगा तो employees आपके पास attract होगा, retention बढ़ेगा, employee आपके पास longer period तक stay करेगा, because any organization is providing all the facilities, because salaries cannot solve everything, right? So we have to provide a very good solution for the longer stability of employees, to protect their all the insurance need, as well as their all the employees requirement. So group insurance are helping them, a proper group customized insurance are helping them, all the employees as well as the corporate, to to you know in their tough time, in their, when they need of, spouse insurance, their parental insurance. So group insurance is a very very important for any organization, any employees, in two ways. One of them, corporates, if corporates has taken group policy, they have full protection for their employees, स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ता है, एम्प्लॉय का रिटेंशन बढ़ता है, और एम्प्लॉय का सेटिस्फेक्शन रेशियो भी बढ़ता है. Apart from this, Insofy is also, trying to cater the policy optimization, cost optimization, and reduction of their policy premium.
That is
But
one.
we are not saying that कि हम वहाँ पे रिस्क कंप्रोमाइज कर रहे हैं और प्रीमियम को कम कर रहे हैं. We are trying to get the customized solution which is beneficial for their employees as well as the corporate.
This is also a very unique thing to be able to reduce the risk, to be able to reduce the cost as well as
Right
cover the
pricing,
risk.
within the right pricing.
That's amazing, sir. So that's it. My last question would be like, what is Insofy looking at next? Like, how we are looking at the future? Harsh, do you have anything else to ask or say?
No, I just have means I just want to ask Mr. Amit Jain sir that if he can guide the students who are coming
Yeah.
into the insurance industry, that like what they can expect, what challenges they can expect from the insurance industry as of now.
So Harshi, insurance is never been easy industry altogether. So there are a lot of challenges. Demand of, highly qualified professionals are very very high, but the supply is not at that up to the mark, right? So we are missing of right talent of insurance professional across the industry. We do not have the sufficient sales force to any organization, and not only sales, the quality underwriters, the operation side. So lot of, the technical uh, professionals are, challenges the industry is facing. And secondly, at the same time, the industry is very huge, opportunity is very big, the market size is very very, high.
I guess
So
it's the biggest
so
market.
so as a newcomer, any student, any, who are, professional like you, so insurance is a very very, challenging and interesting industry as well, wherein the demand and supply is a major challenges. Demand is very high, supply is very, very less. Though the chances for any insurance professional like you are very very high. You can place yourself very easily to any broking, any startup which are coming up, any insurance company, because India is also, going to get 6 more insurance company license this year. ठीक है ना? And maybe 10 to 20 new brokers in this financial year. So the opportunity is very very high, but the right talent is missing if we talk about the insurance.
It's amazing, sir. So, as my question was now, what is like Insofy is all about? What would be the next, look out for Insofy?
So Zoya, we have shaped ourselves into offline business very very, strong way. Now we are wanted to, start knowingly Insofy into the online space as well this year. So although we have started our B2B journey ready with us for our POSP partners, at the same time we are, trying to get our B2C website as well. In couple of months time we are going to be live with that. And not only this B2C, we are also coming up with all the corporate solution for employee benefit to the our existing and upcoming new clients for the GMC, GPA and GTEL point of view. And secondly, we have tied up with 2 3, wellness companies as well to make this corporate insurance very very effective. And we are also, going to provide the mobile app to all those employee of those corporates as well, to, get the all the benefit from Insofy, get the right discounting, get the right pricing, cross sale of their existing insurance products which are taken outside any across companies. If they opted for Insofy, they can, choose their product at the very right pricing, right premium and optimization as well.
क्या हमें Insofy का मोबाइल ऐप भी दिखेगा?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, definitely.
So that's amazing, sir. The future is looking very bright for Insofy, whatever you have mentioned.
But sir, आपने चाय नहीं.
Oh, sorry. I missed that.
Chai ठंडी हो गई.
चाय ठंडी होगी.
So that's that's it, guys. So that's a wrap now. So we'll be looking forward to the next podcast where we'll be coming up with new topics and new insight about the insurance industry with our mentor, Mr. Amit Jain, and we'll be also calling other guests to do the same for us.
Yes.
So thank you so much
Thank
for
you so much.
watching.
Thank
And
you.
even
Thank you,
we are
everyone.
calling our pause in next podcast.
Yeah.
So if you are not the pause of Insofy, do become now.
So like, share, and subscribe our channel as much as you can. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.